Hello everyone. Last session we have discussed the hard questions that is related to the how to solve the suppose larger number of the coefficient of x and y is given and the number of the power is given means how to solve that we have discussed. In this session we will discuss some more hard questions that is related to the competitive exam. This type of questions they will ask in competitive exam. So how to solve in competitive exam such type of questions today we will discuss. So first one question I consider here. There were two candidates in an election. There were two candidates in an election. 5% of total voters did not cast their votes. So 5% of voters they did not cast their votes. The winner get the 48% of a total votes and win by the 15,000 votes. How many votes did he get? So this is a percentage of vote is given. So you have to find out the total number of votes the winner had got. That you have to find out. So such type of questions they will give in competitive exam. So don't use a lengthy method. I will show you some trick how to solve such type of a question. So let us see here. First you have to read the question once again, because once and twice you have to read means you will get some little bit clue how to solve this type of question. So let us see here. There were two candidates in an election. 5% of total voters did not cast their vote. Suppose total number of votes. First here we can write here. Suppose you have to consider 100%. So 100% is the total number of votes. But here given there were the two candidates in an election. 5% of total voters. First you have to consider that is 100% of. Suppose you have to all candidates vote means they will be considered as a 100% voters. But here given total voters did not cast their votes. 5% of total voters did not cast their votes. First one 100% is the total number or total percentage of voters. First you have to consider 100. Suppose out of 100 they voted means we will get that is 100% vote. But here given 5% of total voters did not cast their vote. So total voters is 100. 5% they did not cast their votes means minus 5% equal to how much will get 95%. Means 95% only they voted the candidate A and B. 95% of voters they voted to the candidate A and B because 5% voters they did not cast their votes. First one initial is 100% voters we have to consider. 5% of people they did not cast their votes. So remaining is how much? 90% of people only voted the candidate A and B. This is a 90% voted. So in 90% again divided. 90% in 90% winner get 48% of total of votes. Total votes is how much? 95%. Out of 95%, the winner got the vote. How much percentage? 48%. This is 48%. The winner candidate got the 48%. And what about the loser candidates? So 95 minus 48 means remaining percentage is that is 47. Loser got the vote out of 91 only 47%, but winner got the total number of percentage vote is that is 48%. So here given 48% of a total number of voters. Total number of percentage of voter is 95. Out of 95, the winner candidate got the 48% and the loser candidate got the percentage of vote that is 47 and win by the 15,000 votes. So means it is 48% equal to 15,000 percentage is given. So you have to find out how many votes did he get. The winner candidate or winner person is how many votes they got and win the opposite to the candidate B. So let us see here. 48 is the winner candidate. Loser candidate is how much? 47. Suppose you have to take here 48% minus 47% equal to, here given 48 of the total of the votes and win by the 15,000. So leading is given, that is win by 15,000. So leading, you can take 48 minus 47 means you will get the leading of the number of the vote, that is 15,000. This one is 15,000 means 48% minus 47% equal to 1%. So 1% equal to 1% equal to 15,000 votes means 48% equal to how many votes? We have to find out that one. How many votes did he get? Winning candidate got the how many votes? So that you have to find out. So simple method. 1% vote equal to 15,000. 48% equal to how much? 48% equal to how much? Direct and inverse method you have to use here. We will get the total number of votes got by the winning candidate. So cross multiplication means we will get, or you can take this is number of votes, that is x. So cross multiplication means 1 into x, 1x. 15,000 into 48%. So 15,000 48% you can write divided by 100. 2020 get cancelled. So 150 into 40. Next you have to multiply 150 into 48 means you will get 8 zeros are 0, 8 5s are 40, carry 4. 8 1s are 8 plus 4 is 12. Next 4 0s are 0, 4 5s are 20, carry 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 6. 0 0 2 7. So total number of vote is 7200. 48 into 2020 get cancelled. Here given number of votes 1 2 3. Sorry, 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. 15,000 is given. So total number of vote is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. 7,200. So winning candidate got a vote equal to 7,200. So this type of method you have to use by this is a percentage types of a problem. So you can use in competitive exam and you have to score the marks by easily. So thank you and have a nice day.